Tricky white people. Y'all love dogs more than y'all love human beings. I watch y'all. You see white people, they see a stray dog. You see them, they be like, where's your home? What's your name? Let me read your tag. You have a number. We're gonna call your master. We're gonna find your home. A homeless dude walk up. Can I get some change? Get away from me, you bum. Don't lock this brother up about a dog. It's called a pet bull. They bred to fight. The dog wants to fight. The dog sitting in the backyard. I want to fuck something up. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no poodle. What the fuck you got me back here for? You understand me? They ain't trying to stop a rodeo. White people go to rodeo, you got motherfucking shocks on the goddamn bull's nuts to make it hop around. Oh, that's humane. Shut them rodeos down, I'll stop fighting my motherfucking dogs. I'm from the Midwest, we fight dogs. Still having cockfights, ain't you?